This integrated washing machine from Neff is perfect for households who want a quality model with clever technology to take care of their laundry. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8 kilogram drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Neff's Quick Wash 15 program refreshes clothes in next to no time. With a twist of the dial, this function will wash, rinse, and spin in 15 minutes. It's the perfect way to revive smaller loads of lightly stained clothing, meaning you never need to wait around to look your best. The Anti-Allergy program is great for anyone in your household who suffers from allergies or sensitive skin. It works by washing at higher temperatures and using extra rinses to remove 99.9% of allergens, including dust mites, pollen, and other pesky irritants. So you can look after your family's delicate skin all year round. If you're looking for a quality washing machine with clever technology to take care of your laundry, this integrated model from Neff is the perfect choice.